Hey guys, it's Ashley, and today I'll be doing yoga for bedtime. You don't need anything for this video, so let's go ahead and get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video with me right now, go ahead and save it to your watch later and join me whenever you can. Alright you guys, it's time to get ready for bed with some gentle yoga. Let's go ahead and start crisscross, and let's go ahead and reach all the way over to one side. Looking up at the sky. Deep breath in and out, a little further. Release the neck and slowly come up. Other side. Inhale, exhale over. Looking up at the sky, both hip bones on the ground. And release the head. Deep breath in. And slowly come up. Let's go ahead, interlace the fingers at the nape of your neck and bring those elbows in gently, gently, stretching out the back of the neck. Keeping our breath going. Hands underneath your chin, gently reach the neck up. Nice, you guys. Let's go ahead, interlace our fingers behind us and lift that chest to the sky. And opposite direction, concaving in. Like you're pulling apart those shoulder blades. Keep the breath going. And back to neutral. Let's go ahead and bring one leg in, one leg out. And I want you guys just to fold forward. No need to pull yourself towards your leg. No need to try and overdo it, stretch farther than you need. Simply just forward fold over and just let yourself hang. Let yourself just melt forward. Absolutely no pulling, no pressure. Foot relaxed, head relaxed, forward fold. Deep breath in and out. Slowly rolling through the spine to come up. And let's go ahead and switch sides. And let's go ahead and forward fold over. Relaxing that foot, relaxing the neck. Shoulders relaxing. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in, relax forward a little deeper. And slowly coming up. Let's go ahead and lie on our backs. Soles of the feet together, knees apart. You can put your heels up to the sky if you want. Sometimes that helps. You can also go ahead and just put a little pressure right above your knee if you want a little bit of a deeper stretch. You can also go ahead and make a circle on the ceiling with your knee. on one side and then the other, reversing one direction and then the other. And other side, making the circle with the knee. Soles of the feet together again, and just relax here for a second, letting gravity do the trick. Deep breath in, relax it out. Using your hands to bring your knees together, let's go ahead and bring one knee into the chest, releasing the bottom. Gently tug the knee to the chest. Bring that knee all the way over to the opposite side. And if you'd like, extend that front leg. Stretching out the side of your leg and gently twisting in the spine. And gently bringing the knee back in. Switching legs, knee into the chest, releasing the other one. Hugging that knee in. Deep breath in. Exhale out. And crossing that knee over. Feel free to extend the top leg, totally optional. Keeping that deep breath going. Coming back to neutral, go ahead, lift the feet up, grab either your ankles or your arches, and happy baby, opening up the hips. Feel free to rock side to side. If this is too much, you can always bring the feet down and hold it here, rocking side to side. And gently bring the knees together. Go ahead, give yourself a nice loose hug. You can rock yourself side to side again, or curling in and releasing out to give your spine a little massage. Or just stay here and relax the arms. And release and let go. Extending the legs. Nice big stretch. Out, 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 out. Stretch, stretch, stretch. And release. Bringing your arms by your side to Savasana. Deep breath in. Exhale out. Making sure your shoulders are relaxed. Your face, your hips, your feet. Continuing that breath. staying here for the rest of the practice, letting your thoughts come and go, and maybe even fall asleep. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and good night. Thank you so much for practicing with me today, and if you enjoyed today's video and would like to see more, download our app Yoga Plus, and be sure to check out more videos in my series. I'll see you later.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.